Welcome to Clark's Place.
Yep. This is a pre-Carlisle video.
Gonna show you what we're bringing up to Carlisle. It's most of the stuff we're not gonna use. A lot of old Dodge parts, some valuable, some junk, but
duplicates. Some of it we're doing brand new, and they're good, but somebody
will show you.
You'll see.
Headed up to Carlisle this Thursday.
Today is Saturday.
We are in Booths K137 and K126. So
yep.
I don't know where I get the steering column.
It is a Dodge, but we're not sure. We're not sure what this came off of.
Yeah, so I have that guy.
Come up, make us an offer.
And then this is a carb I bought for 500 bucks, probably 20 years ago.
20 years ago.
I don't
it's
know
a Carter.
I don't know if it's worth more than what I paid for it now, but I thought we looked it up and they go for 400 bucks or something like that.
Yeah.
But that, I think that was
somebody
done
looking
too,
for
so.
a real. I think it's a 69.
What was the number on it? Did you write it down?
Yeah. I'd have to have my glasses on.
Yeah, let's see what the number was.
It's a.
Thought it had a little stamped area.
Yeah, it did. There it is. Oh, Carter ABS.
Carter ABS, Made in USA.
I know.
There's some numbers there.
There it is, right there. J. Hang on. Golly gee. Okay, looks like it's J94734S.
I was told, and I could have been lied to 20 years ago, but I was told that is the correct carburetor for my 440 Magnum, date coded for 69 for my motor.
Right.
So that's, but you saw what I used. I've got a Holly Sniper system on the motor over there.
And I've got the 6-barrel.
Yep, we got a brake leader from Eastwood. We got some other pieces, parts, suspension stuff.
The basket we're taking. This is to keep
buy my
cool.
basket. Those are going bye-bye.
Not for sale. We
bunch of old paint guns.
Yeah, I mean some of them are good.
Yeah, I'm done with siphon feed stuff. So
a Sharp,
a Develba. So I think that's an Eastwood.
That's
maybe?
an Eastwood newer gun.
That's gotta go.
All
Milwaukee charger.
Milwaukee charger.
Old hubcap. We're trying to bring nothing but Dodge stuff, but
there's a windshield wiper.
Yeah, I think I might have 3.
I think I got 3 or 4 of those. This.
So let's go look over there.
We're bringing a box of license plates.
Oh yeah.
If you're from Ohio, you'll hit the gold mine. They're 69, 70, 71, and all of them are Ohio, and then
a couple Alabamas.
Some of them in here. There's 2 plates in there for front and back. Some of them are hardly used.
Mostly 69, 70, 71, 23.
Yeah.
Perfect for Ohio Dodges.
We got 2 of these air cleaners. There's a single, and then this one's really nice dual. And I think that this one's correct for what, a 1970 440, I believe.
I think it's 7123, but I don't know. Somebody will know. We don't.
Yeah, not sure. Oh, that's got stuff in it too.
Yeah, stuff there. These stools, I'll probably dust them off, clean them off, and I'm going to bring those up to sit in while I'm in the booth.
There's
and
a Craftsman.
Probably like 20 bucks a piece.
Then there's a big block bell housing, 440. There is a one-side 440 exhaust manifold. Pistol grip shifter. Steering wheel. This is all off Chris's car.
You know Juan Torres, he etched his name into it, so
yeah,
I'm finally letting it go.
And there's another set of both right and left 440. There's some backing plates.
That's power steering pumps.
Yeah, that's the Saginaw, I believe. 3 power steering pumps.
Yep.
And then one original style alternator. I think that's off Chris's car. This you can shorten a little bit. We were going to use this, and we may have once, to hang parts off of, to paint. It's on rollers. Take it up there if somebody wants to buy it.
Yep. Or it's a nice bike rack.
Yeah, that's what it actually is. It's a bike rack.
Oh, water pump.
Yeah, this is a correct date-coded 69 water pump.
Motor mount.
3 more, or a couple more washers.
Oh, there's another windshield washer motor in there.
A couple of them.
Oh, so there's 3 in there.
Front plate.
That's another windshield washer motor.
That's another one. And then there's a harmonic balancer. So, all those.
Yeah.
What else over here? Anything?
Not taking my fishing poles. You can't have those.
No.
If you want to email me, I've got a bunch of empty Milwaukee boxes around. So if you need one,
Yeah, I could take those up.
and get rid of those too. And if you see anything in the video, or if you've seen stuff at Clark's place in any of our videos, like this Dom's charger, if you need that, let me know. I'll bring it up with me. But all those parts are all for the next Daytona, so you don't get any of those.
Nope, nope.
But there's some other parts over here I wanted to at least put on camera, because I wasn't going to bring these. But all the AC vent stuff, if any of this is valuable to anyone, let me know. We've got like 4 of these trans mounts, bunch of glove box. Are these pedals something you're going to use?
Yes, that's my pedals.
Oh, that's your 4-speed pedals? Okay.
There's some used ashtrays that.
Forks. Oh, there is a fork I'm bringing for.
Yeah.
And then you said no, we're not going to take any seat frames, right?
We do have a couple pair of torsion bars.
What? So we're not going to use them because we have
Yeah.
QA1?
There's QA1. They're not laying there though.
Okay, we may bring those too.
There's a couple torsion bars. There's a under dash unit heater box with all the fans and wires. I think we have 2 of those. Probably take both of them.
Okay. If you want a Vulcan welder, I can bring that, but I wasn't going to, because we use that one all the time.
Yeah, it's got the plasma cutter on the bottom, so the stand is going to stay here, or the roll around cart. But it definitely takes a Vulcan because we've got a Miller.
And I've got a bunch of glass.
Got a lot of these vent windows, so email if you really are interested. I'm sure there's light pitting.
Yeah,
they're not brand new looking.
None of them are brand new, but. And tons of door hardware. So if you need a piece or a part of something, I stripped out like 4 or 5 doors. So.
Right. I mean, we're going to need some of it, but we don't need it all.
Yep. And I think that's about it. If you want any of those Ford steering wheels, they're just wall art right now.
Right.
What about that table? Did you want it?
Yeah, that's a good table. It goes with the couch in there.
Oh, so you can't have it?
No, that's Mom's.
Okay. Bunch of Ford transmission mounts. Kind of dark in there, but
out in the trailer, there is a one K member.
oh, I'm bringing another K member.
Yeah, I don't know what else is out there.
Okay.
We haven't seen.
All right. So, if you see me, we'll be in 126 and 127.
Got a small box of screws.
You can really put the screws to somebody with that.
Yeah, I mean, we can bring you a coffee can full. We do use them, but you can see we've hardly made a dent in them. This is all stuff to go on his car, so
Yep.
I don't think there's anything up there.
Okay. Oh, it looks like I do have some brake stuff for my car. Must have bought some of the brake lines.
Yeah.
So, little update on Clark's place. We're getting ready to fire his motor here today. I know I haven't done any of his rebuilding videos. I got tons and tons of stuff to post on that.
I just got my down pipes, so we can mount these, put his mufflers on them to fire it. So
I thought we were going to put your mufflers on it to fire it.
I don't have mufflers yet.
Well, you need to order mufflers because mine are 3-inch and that's 2.
I know, they're coming.
So I don't think they're going to go unless you buy a reducer for it.
No. I just run straight pipes. It'll sound cool.
Uh-huh. Probably will.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think these are these are the same. No.
No way. So you got 2.5-inch exhaust.
Probably 2.5.
So that's kind of the state of the Clark's Union right now.
Yep.
My motor's all ready to go. I'm waiting to rebuild the rear. I ruined a QA1 or Willwood brake hub, and that's delivering today, a replacement for that.
We have a complete set of they call them poverty.
Yeah, I can see them. You don't need to undo them.
Well, couple of them have the red circle on them.
Oh, it says
Try to
GT
keep-
or something?
No, it's a red ring.
Oh, just got the triangle.
And these are just, you can buy that ring or just have it and paint it.
One
But
of those.
I was going to put these on mine. They're super, super nice. And I think I paid $50 a piece for them. So 50 bucks,
Give me close to that.
that's 200. I mean, if you get close, you know, make us an offer. They'll be there, all 4 of them.
What about those 3?
Those are Brian's.
Oh, those are going back to him.
Yeah, he's already got those. So,
Okay.
yep. Other than
Well,
that,
all right. That's what I'm bringing. Thanks for watching. If you see me driving up the road with my Jeep and the trailer, I'll throw a picture of that. Maybe from last year if I can find one.
do a honk.
Give me a honk,
about
give me a
your
wave, give me a
Dukes of Hazzard
subscribe.
model.
I'll bring that Dukes of Hazzard model too.
Is it all in there?
Yeah, it is.
The box is
You're not
big.
getting any of these though.
Yeah, that's his little collection.
The Matrix Mobile.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you in Carlisle. Looking forward to it. This is our Graceland, so we'll see you up there next Thursday. Wait a minute. Next Friday, I'll be in the booth with stuff for sale. So
Yep.
we'll see you there.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.